at all for harvesting. A very warm day then today in some central parts of Britain, up to 25 degrees, nearer 22 over Northern Ireland, 22, 23 possibly on the eastern side of Scotland. But over northwest Scotland and Northern Ireland, you'll find the wind freshening during the rest of today. A pretty hot day coming up for central and eastern parts on Monday. That hotter weather being replaced by cooler, showery weather once we get through to the end of Monday and certainly through Tuesday. And for the middle part of the week, quite a plunge in temperature, much cooler conditions across many parts by that time. At the moment, not too bad, plenty of sunshine around, just a few flecks of cloud showing up on the satellite picture, but lots of warm sunshine coming up now for the rest of the day. Up in the far northwest though, where the winds are freshening, you'll find some increasing cloud. There could be the odd spot of rain up there in the Hebrides before it goes dark tonight. And then overnight we'll find winds freshening further, could be some gales up in the headlands, and outbreaks of quite heavy rain possibly moving into the Hebrides, parts of Northern Ireland by first light. Over central and eastern parts of England, maybe some low clouds, some mist around, but otherwise a fine night, and temperatures not quite as low as they were last night, around about 10 degrees. The high pressure begins to slip away on Monday then as this cold front introduces wet weather from the west. That rain coming in across much of western Scotland, Northern Ireland, fringing the Irish Sea into Wales and southwest England by the end of the day, and a few showers breaking out ahead of it, but many places will stay fine, sunny and pretty hot, with temperatures around about 25 to 27. Nearer 19 I would have thought in Belfast, 18 degrees up the western side of Scotland. Well, this low pressure then begins to take charge as we go through to Tuesday and beyond. It does mean to say that some eastern parts will start off dry, but there'll be outbreaks of thundery rain in the west, and those moving eastwards fairly quickly in the morning. Out in the west though, through Northern Ireland, through Wales and the West Country, it should turn brighter with some showers for the second half of the day. Now incidentally, some of this rain in the east, although it will be thundery, some places of course will see rather lighter rain, but it's going to be pretty nasty I would think in some areas. Obviously we could see this prospect of localised flooding if some of these downpours are heavy enough, particularly I would have thought to begin with over northern England and up into southwestern Scotland. Well, that's where the low pressure is for the middle part of the week. It will continue to influence the weather. It does mean to say that for many central and eastern parts it'll stay pretty cloudy, much cooler of course, with outbreaks of rain, always brighter in the west, and those brighter conditions eventually spreading eastwards at the end of the week.